Hi, I am Marina Webster, a medical doctor, author, and an intuitive. Since 1994, when I was a junior doctor in Russia, I've been collecting the scientific data on how emotions affect organs and create symptoms. I brought this knowledge to Australia in 2001 when I immigrated to Australia, and later on I published a book called The Secret Energy of Your Body. In this book, I describe the emotional patterns that create illnesses, symptoms, pains, and aches. So, what are the emotional patterns behind liver problems and how to heal liver problems? So, first of all, liver is all about unexpressed anger, rage, and frustration. It's when you become angry with a situation or with people and you didn't express this anger. This anger goes into liver and basically stuck there. Liver problems imply that you are sabotaging your own progress, experiencing in conflict and feeling like a victim. So victim mentality is really affecting the liver. You may be blaming others for your failures and using a poor me attitude, thinking I am right, but nobody listen. You may also have difficulty making decisions, inability to relax, and not trusting life. So this pattern needs to be acknowledged and released from your liver because it's inside the liver. It's stuck, the energy of these emotions stuck in the liver. So how to heal liver problems? On an energetic level, you can clean the energy of illness from your liver. How to do it? First of all, you need to prepare your hands by rubbing them together like that until your hands become warm. Then spread your hands apart. You can close your eyes. You can spread them about 30 centimeters apart and try to bring them together millimeter by millimeter until you feel resistance or push-pull sensations. I also feel that my hands tingle. I feel these tingling and crawling sensations in my hands, which is the subtle body energy that runs through my body, and this is how I feel it. When you feel tingling and crawling sensations in your hands, doing this, it means your hands are ready to sense energy on your own body or on the other people's body. Now you need to find the aura that comes from your liver. So your liver is on the right side of your body. It's upper belly, right side here. So you need to find the end or edge of the aura that comes from your liver. Here, I really feel the edge. So I can push and pull the edge of the aura that comes from my liver. So right now I feel a healthy liver, like nothing wrong with my liver. And I feel the energy of healthy organ. But if there was some illness in my liver, I would feel different vibrations because illnesses create different vibrations, vibrate differently when you feel the energy. Okay, since I found the edge and I push and pull the edge, and I feel that something is moving in my body, this is how I know that I found the edge. Now you can do energy cleansing in two ways. First, sweeping. Sweep, 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 and throw into the candle. I have a candle, burning candle in front of me. You need to burn the energy because this is toxic energy. What you are collecting, toxic energy. Sweep, sweep, like that. Sweep, 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 and throw into the fire. So when I do sweeping, I am not touching myself, but I am sensing with my body that something is moving inside my body. I am not touching it. I am touching the aura, but I sensing that something is moving inside of my organ in my belly. So this is the first way to clean the aura or the energy that comes from your liver. The second way, I call it purification. You find the end or edge of the aura, and you need to do anti-clockwise movements with your hand. So to know anti-clockwise or clockwise, you need to put a watch on your body, like that. Okay, clockwise, anti-clockwise. To pull out energy from your body, you need to go anti-clockwise. Therefore, when you learn, you can use a watch, but later on, when you become skillful, you don't need to use watch. So I do anti-clockwise, and you do scooping motions as if you're scooping ice cream from the bucket, because the aura comes in a funnel, like a funnel. So you do scooping motions as if you're scooping ice cream from the bucket. So you scoop and throw into the fire. Scoop and throw into the fire. Scoop. You can close your eyes. It helps you to go inside yourself. Scoop, scoop, and throw into the fire. Scoop, 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 and throw into the fire. So how long you need to clean your liver to heal it? Generally, until you feel lighter. Until you feel lighter, you can repeat it next day. It probably takes a few days for you to heal your liver, but you can feel a significant improvement from the first healing. So until you feel lighter, or follow 2 minutes per technique or 2 minutes per organ rule. So you can do 2 minutes sweeping and 2 minutes anti-clockwise movements with your hand and clean the energy of illness from your liver. So if you want to learn more about emotional patterns, about other organs, you can find all of them in my book, The Secret Energy of Your Body.